y'all, welcome back. Yes, my voice is still screwed up, but I'm trying. So please ignore my croaking and squawking. But this is a really cute craft for kids to make for Easter. You've seen it all over social media. They've been around for many years. The bunny rabbit made out of a Dollar Tree hat. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. All right, let's get started. Yes, my voice is still jacked up. If you're in my Facebook group, then you already know this. Yes, I did have a cold and a sore throat, and I was getting better. And then I was in the car, and Rob Zombie came on, and I was singing with him at the top of my lungs, really strained my vocal cords, and my voice went away. It's back, but not 100%, so bear with me. I've got throat coat tea over here that I'm drinking. So you're going to need one of these hats from Dollar Tree, these bunny ears from Dollar Tree, wire cutters, or some really sturdy scissors, pipe cleaners in pink. I got those at Walmart. If you want to put a bow on this, you can tie your own bow, or you can use one of these basket bows. You can get these at Walmart for $1.88. Googly eyes from Dollar Tree, some pom-poms from Dollar Tree, hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, and some artificial flowers from Dollar Tree to go across the top. So first off, what we're going to do is take the wire cutters, and we're just going to cut the ears right around there, because I don't want this whole headband going around the hat. And this part of the headband, we're going to cover it with flowers. And I know y'all have seen these all over social media by now. I mean, they've been popular for years, but I'm making mine today. Okay, so now we have our ears. And the hat right here kind of dips down. So I'm going to put the ears there to kind of cover that up a little bit. So I'm going to take the hot glue and go right around here. Just putting it all around there. And sticking it right on top of the hat just like that. You're probably going to have to hold this for a few seconds. I do only use Gorilla Glue, and it takes like 45 seconds to really, set up. So I might have to hold this in place just for a few seconds to let it harden. While it's doing that, let's move it up just a little bit. While it's doing that, I'm going to get these pom-poms, and I'm going to use 2 of the white ones for its little cheeks. So we got 2 pom-poms, and I'm going to put them just like this. And I'm going to use pipe cleaners as whiskers. Now I'm going to use pink ones because my ears are pink. My ears aren't pink. The bunnies are pink. I don't know. Mine might be pink too. I don't know. I can't see them on ears. So I'm just going to cut these with the wire cutter. And now I'm just going to glue a few of them. Let's see. Don't want them to be that long. This is really cute for kids, by the way. Don't want them to be that long. I'll glue them on there that long. And if I don't like it, I'll just trim them down. Sound good to you? So I'm just going to stick these on here. Let's do 3. Whoops, I'm gluing it to my own finger. Just like this. And now I'm going to stick these 3. I know they're all kind of falling everywhere. Don't worry, we're going to fix that here in a second. And now let's kind of get them into a position. And now I'm going to take these 2 and stick it down just like that. And now I'm going to hold this in place until my glue really sets up, okay? Let's see. This pink one is a little big for a nose. But you know what? It's going to have to work because I don't have any smaller ones. Let's put that right there. Okay? And now, do I want to put one of these tiny little pink ones down here? Yeah, I think I will. I'm going to put my precision nozzle here, which is very helpful. I'm just going to stick a tiny little pink one right there. Now, I'm going to let all of this glue set up so that I can move it around, and then we'll come back, and I'm going to put on some flowers and the little wiggly eyes. So, hang on just a minute. Okay, I did trim down the whiskers a little bit. I really didn't like how long they were. So I cut off about that much of the pipe cleaner. So what I'm doing with my flowers here is I took the flowers off the stem and then I trimmed down the little plastic nub thing right there so it's flat. I did the same thing with the leaves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a dot of glue around the end of the leaf there. And let's stick this somewhere in the middle. I'm stuck in the middle with you. No, I can't sing anymore. Y'all, I need to stop with the singing. I know strain my voice beyond belief. Here we go. Everybody's like, is your cold not over yet? Yes, the cold was over last week. The strained voice, however, there's nothing that you can do with that except just give it time, you know? Let's see. All right, so I got some more leaves here. And I'm going to put, I think I want to put 3. I think that'll work. I think 3 will look good. Let's see. So that's kind of toward the center. I'm trying to be careful not knock it around here. Where's the other one? Right here. Look, that's kind of squished. I didn't have time to unsquish them before I really sat down to start doing this. But with Dollar Tree flowers, if they are squished, you can like spray them with water and then blast them with a hairdryer. And you can dry them that way and kind of knock out some of the kinks and the bends. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like this petal right here is not exactly wanting to lay flat. So you can kind of work out some of the wonkiness with some water and a hairdryer. Let's see. That looks okay, I guess. Like I said, this is a really cute craft for kids. Of course, an adult will need to do all the gluing, but, you know, they can help out, you know, picking out the flowers, and you could put the glue down and then, you know, let them put the pom-poms on and stuff like that. There we go. There's our flowers. Now our bunny rabbit needs to be able to see, so I tried all of the different sizes of the eyes in that pack, and I kind of settled on the bigger ones. I think they kind of look the best. So I'm just going to, oh Lord, I'm going to stick it on the leaf. I'm just going to stick that eye right there. And get this other one. There we go. Here we are. Yes, this throat coat tea is wonderful. It really makes a sore throat feel good. It's got slippery elm bark in it. And you can get it at a lot of, God, I wanted to say gas stations. I need to get the glue off his eye. Grocery stores and Walmart carries it. But, yeah. A lot of people are saying, hot tea with honey. Yeah, honey is good. And I do recommend that for people. But, the honey would throw me out of ketosis. So, and unless it's a cheat day, I eat really, really low carb. So, I'm talking like 5 or 10 carbs a day. So, yeah, stay away from that. And now with our bow, I'm going to put the bow right down here. That's cute. That'll look good. And this hat has holes in it, so try not to glue it to your table, which I'm probably going to do anyway. But right there. And the loops of the bow aren't exactly where I want them. So when I reform a bow, I put a little bit of hot glue on the back. And then just bend the loops where I want them. Like this. Can y'all see this? I didn't even look at the camera to see if I was still in the shot. There we go. Just put little dots of glue there and stick it down to the hat so that it doesn't flop when you pick it up. There we go. Now, to hang this, you can use like a regular wreath hanger that hangs over your door and just hang the hat on it. Or take a piece of floral wire or a pipe cleaner, and on the back, I'm going to try to pick this up without stuff falling off. On the back, somewhere in here, you know, you could just run it through these holes right here and make a loop and use that to hang it with. But our bunny rabbit hat is done. How cute is that? But anyway, thank you for putting up with my croaking and my squeaking. I'm going to go drink some more tea. So, if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe, Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.